Hey, Cook, is it clean, Cook? He don't even know what to say, right? Guys, hey, when a man don't know what to say because his bike look that good, you know what it is. That thing is killing it. I got some new wheels for my Road Glide, but not only did I get some new wheels, my cousin got some new wheels, my other cousin, my uncle got some new wheels, Leonard got some new wheels. Let me show you the new wheels on the bikes.
Traveling Tall is brought to you by Custom Dynamics, Zippers Performance, Khrome Werks, Redline Oil, Volunteer Audio, and Let's Roll.
We about to ride, we about to ride.
I got the ride all the way.
You're so famous, you gotta be a bike week too?
Oh, what's going on, man? How you doing?
Man, I love watching your videos.
Thanks for watching, man. All right, guys, it is a beautiful day today, and I'm here at Daytona Beach Bike Week, and I'm in front of the Coastal Moto tent. I ran into some viewers and subscribers. We're gonna go over here and talk to them. And guys, if you ain't down here in Daytona, you know, you're probably watching this video afterwards. You guys are missing it. We got some viewers and subscribers here. What's your name, man?
Don from DC.
Don from DC.
Todd Al.
Todd Al
DC,
from,
baby.
from DC?
That's right.
Star from Maryland.
Star from Maryland.
Richard, Virginia.
Richard, okay. Now let me ask you, what y'all riding?
CVO 2018.
Road Glide?
Special. Road Glide Special.
Street Glide, baby.
That's what I'm
You
talking
know
about.
what I'm talking about.
Yeah.
You know
Road Glide. Oh,
You know
man.
about those Street Glides.
we
You
ain't
ain't gliding.
Yeah, y'all know I got it.
Yeah, you got the, we heard.
Yeah,
We heard.
Look, huh?
Does yours wobble?
My Road Glide? Oh, y'all starting that, right? That's what we doing. But look, y'all having a good time down here in Daytona?
Always.
Hey,
Our first time.
make sure y'all stop by Bethune-Cookman from 3 to 6. I'm having my first Traveling Talls Ride in Bagger show. Hey, I had them on yesterday. I like
You
that.
know.
Yeah, I like that.
Gotta match the bike.
He gonna be in the front of the pack. Y'all Road Glide guys gonna be in the back.
Now you know.
Hey.
You know.
Hey, thanks for watching though, for real, guys.
Thank
Thanks
you.
for watching.
Thanks, man.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Thank
Good to
you.
see you, man.
Thank you. Oh, I ain't got to get. Oh, thanks for watching, man.
You must be somebody famous. I see you everywhere.
We are. Hey, your bike was nice, man.
You see that over
Yeah, we're gonna go over here and look at my Road Glide now. There it is, right there. Woo! Man,
look at
that
that,
thing.
man. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, this thing is looking good.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness, that thing is looking good. Guys, I still like my Street Glide, but I don't know. That might be. Oh my goodness, that thing is looking good. Look at those wheels.
Chopper bars?
No, these are Chrome Werks.
Love that wheel.
Thank you, man.
That is gorgeous.
And they front and back, got them both matching.
That is.
Guys, I'm so excited about that, so I'm ready for the custom bike show now. I got it, Coastal Moto. If you like those wheels,
Big fan, man.
all right, thanks for watching,
Take
man.
care.
This thing is looking good. What do you think, Leonard?
Oh, that looks good. That looks real good.
What do you think, Kim?
Good. Yes.
Yeah. And we got my cousin Sean here, my cousin Tina. Where Cook go to? Yeah, this bike looks so good. Those Coastal Moto wheels, fantastic. If you want some for yourself, you got to go to the website, coastalmoto.com. Look at this. It took his little standard, the bottom of the rung, and just made it look fantastic, for real, guys. All right, but we got a surprise for you, because Leonard got some wheels, and Cook got some wheels. So my bike's done, but I'm gonna be showing you their bikes too in a minute, so we'll see it in a minute. All right, guys, I'm here with Jason from Coastal Moto. So tell us about the wheels. What kind of wheels are those at?
So this is our new Marlin 3D design. We just released it for 2023. It's come out right now. It is our best seller. We're doing 21 3.5 front, 18 5.5 rear. It bolts right under the stock fender. The rear wheel is the same size as what comes on the new bikes. The front comes with a 19, but that 21 does work. Tall women all chrome setup, front and rear. We also added the polished full floating brake rotors. This is similar to the stock rotor, but it is show polished with chrome and stainless hardware. We offer the wheels with ABS setups where they bolt right on the bike with no problems. Works with link brakes. No reprogramming of the of your ABS system required, and they are TPMS compatible. It's pretty much a bolt and go solution. You step it up from stock to big time.
You gotta have the front and you gotta have the back, right?
That's right, all day long.
And it's looking good, man. Hey, thank you.
Hey, thank you, Todd.
Hey, Cook, is it clean, Cook? He don't even know what to say, right? Guys, hey, when a man don't know what to say because his bike look that good, you know what it is. That thing is killing it. Look at him over there.
Oh, this your baby?
Hey, Cook, it's killing it, man. That thing's nice. Hey, you know what? Me and you might have to take the front of the pack, just ride it side by side. Me and you might have to do that. Yeah. He said I ain't ready.
Man, he just called you out, man.
Now, my Road Glide has received a little bit of love. I got some new wheels for my Road Glide, but not only did I get some new wheels, my cousin got some new wheels, my other cousin, my uncle got some new wheels, Leonard got some new wheels. Let me show you the new wheels on the bikes. Check this out. This is my 2023 Road Glide. There's the wheels, check that out. 21 Khrome. There it is in the back. These wheels are really nice, really slick. They remind you of the Harley-Davidson special wheels, but not quite, a little bit different. But the 21 on the front of that Road Glide looks good. But then there's another one. That man's right there, look at him looking. Check this out, oh wait. Oh, I went the wrong way. There's another one. Look at this. Black Road Glide Special. Chrome 21-inch wheels. Looks fantastic. His shark nose got a little bit more stuff on it than mine right now. But he got it set up for touring, tour-up riding, and it looks good. With the gold O-rings hanging off the back. And I did say wheels. You like them?
Oh, I love it.
It look good, don't it?
Yeah.
All right. So then we're gonna go to this one right here. All the way down. Leonard's bike. The 2011 Street Glide. Look at this thing. Flat black. 21 in the front. And 18 in the rear. Check this out. And you came from 1818, right?
Correct.
So now you got 2118. How's it ride?
Ride's good.
Yeah, looks good. Looks real good. Yeah,
Very happy with it.
All right. Yeah, when he saw it, you should have saw his face when he got him. Yeah, he was real happy with it. Now we mix it up a little bit. We go to my cousin.
All right.
What year is your bike?
2020.
2020 Road Glide.
Yes, sir.
What color is this?
Stiletto red.
Stiletto red. And he switches it up a little bit. He goes with, what kind of wheels are these?
Hurricane.
Hurricane from Coastal Moto. Check that out, Joe. Good looking wheels on there. 21 in the front.
18 in the rear.
18 in the rear. You happy with it?
Oh, yes, sir.
It makes the bike look good.
Yes, sir.
Real
It's
good.
Real good.
And then we go to my uncle. He just got his put on today, and he had a Street Glide Special that has some really nice wheels on it, but he took them wheels off, and this thing is an eye catcher now. You happy with it?
Oh, yeah.
Let me show you guys. There's his Street Glide Special. What year is your bike?
2021.
2021 Street Glide Special. Right there. 21 in the front, and an 18 in the rear. Guys, so Coastal Moto, these wheels are smooth as silk. They make the bike look good.
I'm only 5'8" tall and still touching the ground.
He's 5'8". Yeah, a lot of people worry about that.
Yeah.
5'8" and still can touch the ground. A 21-18.
Got a real short NC.
Now the only thing about a 21 on the front,
It raises up 3/4 of an inch.
getting it off the kickstand a little bit more.
Yeah.
Cause that bike is leaned over a little bit more. So there's a little bit more weight getting it off the kickstand, but it rides good and looks good. Y'all make sure y'all check out Coastal Moto. And these are the Marlin. Ours is Marlin.
Yeah, ours is Marlin.
And Davis is Hurricane, right? Yeah. All right. So yeah, guys, I'm telling you, wheels are good. The chrome looks fantastic on it. So we're gonna get out of here. We're gonna keep on gliding. We're going down to Bethune-Cookman. All right, guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more like it, please subscribe. Make sure you go to coastalmoto.com. These wheels look fantastic. Seriously, they make your bike go to the next level. Look at that thing sitting there with that profile with them big wheels on it. That standard bag showing off that big wheel. Fantastic, right? All right, guys, like, share, and subscribe. Keep gliding. As always, have a blessed day.
All right, guys, so that's the end of the video, but I want to make sure I show you the wheels in the daytime because these things are really shiny. The chrome finish looks so great on it. And that's not it. We got 6 sets of wheels. My friend Tez ordered some wheels and had them shipped to his house from Coastal Moto. So if you're interested in getting some wheels for your bike, you can have your wheels shipped to your house from Coastal Moto. And they made his Ultra look so good. So guys, again, thanks for watching. Keep gliding. As always, have a blessed day.